Greetings and welcome back to the mat. This is Yoga with Taylor. Today we're going to balance out the left and the right side of the mind and the body. So take a moment to come to comfortable seated posture. Nice long spine, hands to the top of your knees. And we're going to find a cat-cow movement here, rolling through our spine. Sending our chin up, our crown back. Exhale, roll through the spine, gaze to your belly button. Inhale forward. Exhale back. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. And back to neutral. We're going to get straight into a deep hip stretch. Sending your left knee forward. Stacking the right on top. Hugging your heels nice and close. Gently press your knee away from you. Lengthen up and out through your spine. Again, finding that nice slow breath in and out through the nose. And we'll inhale, rise. Exhale, float it down. Walking the hands away from you. Relaxing the sit bones. One more breath. Gaze forward, palms in, we'll rise. Bending the left elbow, bring the right arm down and around. You want your fingertips pressing into your palm. Lean into it and then lift the elbows. Creating space in the upper back, lengthening up and out, belly button back. One more. Intertwining the left and the right side helps us create balance. We'll release. Inhale the arms up. Exhale. We'll twist to the right, gaze over your shoulder. Again, breathing to the base of your spine. Encouraging our body to release. We'll inhale, rise. Exhale, down. Lifting that right leg. I want you to squeeze it in towards your body and rock it out. Pressing the knee away from you. Moving with the breath. Coming back to center, release it down. We'll switch it out. Right knee on the bottom, stacking the left on top, hugging the heels in. Press the knee away from you. Get nice and long through your spine. Breathe into that tightness, inviting in space with every inhale. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold. Walk the hands out, sink into it. Stay present in the body. Scan, release, relax. And walking the hands back. Inhale the arms up. Right arm down this time. Sweeping the left down and around. Lean into it. Find that straight line. Press your fingertips into your palms. Then you inhale, rise. Noticing how it feels to be in this shape. We'll release, sweep the arms up. And we'll twist. Gaze over the shoulder. Intentional breathing. We'll inhale and exhale. Grab a hold of the left leg, squeeze it in, rock it out. One more. Come back to center. Gently release. We'll flip over into our tabletop. And we'll do one more posture for balancing out the body and the brain. We're going to take our left hand forward, right leg back. Engage your core, hugging the belly button back nice and strong through your right arm. Gaze out. This is tiger pose. Focused. Ready to pounce. Exhale down. Right hand, left leg. Reaching out. Nice and strong. Breathing fingertips to toes. Exhale. We'll find a flow here. Left hand, right leg. We'll exhale. Elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale, reaching out. Exhale. Coming back to center. We'll switch. Right hand, left leg. Nice and strong. Big inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Reaching out. Let it go. Back to center. Knees come wide. Big toes come together. Press it back. Pressing back forward. We'll come into one last challenge pose. Bringing your left hand forward, right leg back. Bend at the knee. Sweep the hand around, grab a hold of the foot. Nice and strong through your right hand and arm. Kick your foot into your hand. Open up. Through the chest, through the shoulder, reaching out. Keeping that same focus. Finding your breath. We'll come back to tiger. Exhale down. Switch it out. Right hand, left leg. Reaching out nice and strong. Bend at the knees. Sweep the hand around. Kick the foot into the hand. Open up. Just a little bit more. Tiger. Exhale down. Knees come wide. Big toes come together. Sink it down and back. Still actively reaching out the hands. Breathing into the ribs. Walking the hands back towards you. And closing the knees. We'll come back to sitting on the heels. Bringing the hands to heart center. Relaxing the shoulders down and back. Allowing the breath to slow down. Thanking yourself for showing up. Taking time for the body, balance, and breath. May your day continue in ease and flow. As always, it's an honor to guide you on the yogic path. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you.